Yeah.
hmm This is such a nice. I really like these braids right here.
Yes.
hmm It's so nice when women decide to braid their hair. I really do like your braids. They look really good.
Yeah.
You know, I've suffered a lot over the last 8 years and 3 months
Yes.
because as the respondent in a civil matter,
Yes.
protection order,
Yeah.
where there is no arrest record in the actual state of jurisdiction, yeah. Um, My wife used what's known as power of attorney to motion the court
Yes.
for a protection order. Now, I mentioned numerous times that this idea that you can just issue these because of the accusation of domestic violence and child abuse
Yeah.
without an arrest record in the state of jurisdiction. I was an actual resident of Guam, and so was Heidi,
Yes.
because when Benjamin was born on Guam, we were residents of Guam. And as much as she says, well, I moved back here and we lived here,
Yes.
the problem is Benjamin was born on Guam. Now, this false accusation of domestic violence and child abuse, the actual jurisdiction
Yes.
to motion a court for a civil matter
Yes.
was Guam. It doesn't matter if she got on an airplane 5 days before that and decided to use the court. Now, I'm just wanting to be absolutely sure
Yes.
that anytime you name a respondent
Yes.
that has the availability of responding,
Yes.
if you don't give them the actual petition, you're utilizing the attorney, in fact,
Yes.
the general power of attorney,
Yes.
the durable power of attorney to motion the court. Now, you can't arbitrarily decide you're going to name people that are residents of other jurisdictions.
Yes.
And it doesn't matter that we were spouses, which I'm a citizen of the United States. Now, let's separate ourselves. Okay. I am a citizen that was a resident of Guam. I was in jail
Yes.
because of the false accusation of domestic violence and child abuse. I can name any person in this nation
Yes.
as a petitioner
Yes.
for a protection order.
Yes.
Yes, he can. Whether or not we have children is well, it doesn't matter.
Yes. You can.
Let's say I named Judge Porter.
Yes.
I motion the court.
Yes.
I say that Judge Porter is being abusive to me.
Yes.
He's harassing me
Because of the number of times you made me go to court.
and I want to issue a protection order.
Yes.
Now, Judge Porter gets named in a civil matter
Yes.
where I have the obligation to serve him.
Yes.
And if I don't serve him, he would say, well, I'm in contempt of court as the petitioner.
That's right.
Because I'm using what is known as durable power of attorney to name a respondent. Now, he would say, well, we don't have any relationship together, but I've been in his court numerous times without the jurisdiction of law. And it seems that judges right now don't really appreciate
Yes.
that when two individuals, regardless if they were married,
Yes.
regardless if they have children,
Yes.
when you name somebody else
Yes.
as a citizen of this great nation, you have to be sure
Yes.
that they receive the notice of the power of attorney of the petitioner that obligates them to make a decision of whether or not they want to appear in court. Now, if I had appeared in court,
Yes.
it's possible that the judge wouldn't have issued the protection order. I could have convinced the judge.
Yes.
I could have told the judge that it was a false accusation.
Yes.
I did 7 hours of parenting class. Oh. And then in that civil matter, they would have denied the protection order.
Yes.
Now, let's say I named Judge Porter as a respondent in a civil matter where he's been harassing me right now. Do I have the obligation
Yes.
to serve the individual when I name them as a respondent?
Yes.
That means that as the durable power of attorney in the case,
Yes.
known as the petitioner,